Hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanviriban. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can update your Xiaomi K20 Pro to Android 10 Indian version. So guys, at first we have to check the description of this video. There you will find a download link. Open the link without skipping the video. If you will skip the video, you will understand nothing how to download and how to install it. So watch all the steps I show here. Open the link. I will try to make this video too short, so guys, don't skip. Click on this I am not a robot button and ad will come. Skip I am not a robot button. Again click on this, again click, skip the ad, again. So now click on this continue button and it will redirect you to this page. Here you have to wait 10 seconds. Here you can see your link is almost ready. Wait 10 seconds here. Now click on this get link button. Ad will come, cancel it. Again click on this get link button. Here you can see download MIUI 11 Indian stable ROM for K20 Pro, that's Android 10. You can see Q here is Q, means Android 10. Okay, scroll down here, scroll down. From here you have to download the file from here. Recovery ROM, OTA ROM and recovery ROM. Download the recovery ROM. Here you can see it has started downloading. So here you can see Indian, this ROM is Indian. So that's all guys. After downloading this, you had to install. You can install by your phone or computer on your PC. Download and install the Mi Flash tool. Here, download it. Here you can see the download links. Mi Flash tool, download, and then you have to download and install ADB and fastboot tools. Download and install ADB and fastboot tools. Then make sure to install the latest Xiaomi driver. You have to install the Xiaomi driver to detect your device on your computer. So how to install, you have to how to flash this in your phone. You can watch the video up here. I will give the